Replacing the clutch, well, it's not as common as it used to be, but you should never take shortcuts because failing to replace the pressure plate and other things for the job, well, it could cause you a comeback. And I've got 3 things that could happen if you do not do the complete job. If you have a customer come in and their clutch is slipping, you probably need a new clutch on that vehicle. Doing the complete job involves more than just replacing the clutch. You have to address the flywheel, the pressure plate, and the disc. Also, you have to look at other items that do wear out over time that may not be accessible outside of the bell housing. Reason number 1, well, it is springs. The clutch system on a vehicle may have multiple springs that help control the vibration and keep the clutch plate attached to the flywheel. Over time, well, springs wear out. And when you replace the clutch plate, you're also replacing the spring or the diaphragm. And also, on some vehicles, you're going to have to replace the flywheel, which may be a dual mass flywheel. This is essentially one big spring that absorbs vibrations from the crankshaft, and these wear out too. Number 2, we're talking about surface finishes. The pressure plate, well, this surface has to interact with the clutch disc. The same with the flywheel. If those surfaces aren't properly machined or they're contaminated, heat checked, well, the clutch is going to slip and you're going to have issues with that brand new clutch. Reason number 3, well, the second you bolt up that bell housing to the engine and you seal that clutch in there, if there's a problem or a comeback, well, chances are you'll be doing that work for free. So if there's a chance to replace a part that could fail later on down the line, do it. Don't take chances with the hydraulic components, springs, the flywheel itself. Don't take chances when you're replacing a clutch. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.